Yeah, so today let us go into the chapter triangles. First of all, similarity of triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if all the three angles of one triangle are equal to the three angles of the other triangle and the corresponding sides are proportional. That means if some triangles, here there are three triangles are given. In these triangles, if we are saying that these triangles are similar, ये सिमिलर होना है तो क्या होना चाहिए, इसका एंगल्स देखा है, इधर तीन एंगल्स दिया है तो इसका एंगल्स जो है बराबर होना चाहिए. मीन्स पहला वाला ट्राइंगल के अंदर जितना भी एंगल्स है हर एक एंगल्स बाकी भी ट्राइंगल्स का अंदर होना चाहिए. मीन्स 80, 40 and 40. 40 should be here everywhere. See, in these three triangles we can see the angles are same, so we will say equiangular, means same angles. In these three of them the angles are same, means पहले वाला ट्राइंगल के अंदर जितना भी एंगल्स है उतना ही एंगल्स है दूसरा का अंदर भी, तब हम कहेगा ये सभी सिमिलर है. दिस इज द सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन. So now this is what we call similar triangles, means the sides may not be same but the angles should be the same. Okay, but the sides are having a particular proportion. Next theorem is what we call basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides, here you can see DE is parallel to BC, right? DE, it is given that is parallel because here it is written it is drawn parallel to the other side. Intersect the other sides, here it is intersecting at D and E, then other two sides are divided in the same ratio. बाकी दोनों साइड जो है सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड हो जाएगा. यानी कि इन ट्राइंगल ABC if DE is parallel to BC then AD by DB देखा है is equal to AE by EC, and this is what we called the basic proportionality theorem. It can be by AB by AD divided by AC by AE भी हो सकता है, AB by DB by AC by EC भी हो सकता है. सो इधर जैसा ले रहे हैं उस तरह राइट साइड में ले लीजिएगा. दैट्स ऑल. इधर देखिए आई एम टेकिंग द फुल वन, AB द टोटल वन बिगर वन डिवाइडेड बाय AD. सो लुक एट द फिगर यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड AC by इधर AD लिया है तो उधर क्या लेना चाहिए AE corresponding part AE like that. So this is what we call the basic proportionality theorem. Next one, ratios of perimeters and areas of two similar triangles. If two triangles are equiangular, then the ratio of the corresponding sides is same as the ratio of the corresponding medians or altitudes or bisectors. That means angle bisectors. So medians का भी, altitudes का भी, bisector का भी. Here, what is median? Median is the straight line which is drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay, to the opposite side there is a midpoint. You can see En and Nf, they are equal. So towards the midpoint, if you are drawing a straight line, that is what we call the median. So if triangle ABC and DEF are similar and AM and DN are the median, then we can say AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, and that is equal to AC by DF, and that is also equal to the medians. That means AM by DN. Clear? This is about median. This is about median. अगर ये median का जगह altitude है तो same thing will come. Even if it is altitude, here I will show you what is altitude. ये रहा median और altitude में फर्क यही है. Median जो है 90 डिग्री होने का ज़रूरत नहीं. It may not be 90 degree, can be also, but altitude means it should be a perpendicular line. That's why it is written here AM is perpendicular to BC and DN is perpendicular to EF. वो perpendicular line होना चाहिए. Then also the same thing, the same measurements will be there. That means AB by DE is equal to BC by EF, that is equal to AC by DF, and that is equal to AM by DN. अगर वो बाइसेक्टर है तो भी वैसा ही है. What is mean by bisector? Angle bisector. इधर AM और DN एंगल A और एंगल D को दो भाग कर रहा है. It is bisecting the angles. That means those are angle bisectors. So AM is an angle bisector, DN is also another angle bisector. So even if they are angle bisectors, we can say the theorem is same. Clear? Now this thing is very important. ये जो है इतना आपको समझ में आया, medians, altitudes and bisectors. Along with that one, this is what we call the perimeter also. So we can write the ratio of the perimeters of those two triangles. पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC डिवाइडेड बाय पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्राइंगल DEF, वही होगा। अनदर वन, द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, अगर इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स के एरिया का रेशियो निकालना है तो ऊपर जो आपने जो लिखा हुआ वो प्रोपोर्शन जो है उसका हर एक साइड का स्क्वायर निकालना है। क्लियर?